Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on creating a workflow to validate a property in Teamcenter. In this session, we will be walking through the steps required to build and configure a validation process for properties within Teamcenter. First, let's start by creating a new workflow in Teamcenter. Log into Teamcenter. Navigate to the Workflow module from the main dashboard. Select File. Select New Root Template to create a new workflow. Name the workflow something relevant, such as Validate Property Workflow. Select Do Task. Double-click on Process Flow pane. Select Add Status Task. After Do Task, double-click on Process Flow pane. Select or Task. Double-click on Process Flow pane. Link all task as shown in video. Click on Start. After selection it will convert into blue. Open Task Handler panel. Select Start Task Action. Select Rule Handler and Handler Type. Select TPM Check Object Properties in Rule Handler. Add argument Include _ type and value item revision. Add argument Property and value item _ revision _ id. Add argument Value and value A. Add argument Attachment and value Target. Click on Create. New rule will create in Start Task Action. Make sure while giving values that are real name not a display name. For example, item revision is a display name and item revision is real name. In real name there is no space between item and revision. Close Handler dialog box. Click checkbox Set Stage to Available. This workflow goes to Online. Go to My Teamcenter. Expand Item. Select Item Revision. Go to File New Workflow Process. Select Property Validation Workflow in Process Template. Select Item Revision in Target. Select Assign All Task. Select Do Task. Assign User for performing task. Select Add. Select OK. Go to Inbox or My Worklist. Perform the task. After performing task, status will add it on that item revision. It means that task completed. Revise the item revision. Select B revision. Apply same workflow on B revision. It gives error. Because the rule is set on item revision which has item revision a day. It only applicable for A revision.